and I am in the middle of nowhere. The last day of the 4th of July holiday, and I'm getting a little stir crazy in the house again, so I'm going to come out and do some more, play some more ham radio. I'm going to try to find the last of the Salinas National Monument ruins. I've been to 2 of them, and the third one's out here in the middle of central nowhere, New Mexico. So join me, Greg, Tech Gear Junkie. Let's see if we can find this place. Paper map, huh? I haven't seen one of these in a while. So I am about right here. The ruins I'm going to are down here in Gran Quivira ruins. And interestingly enough, about 30 miles away from that is the site of the UFO crash site near Roswell. So that's exciting. Maybe we'll see some aliens. Alright, so I'm going to get back in. And I don't have any cell servers out here, so I have to use this paper map and try to find my turnoff. Let's get going. Alright, hey guys, Greg, Tech Gear Junkie here, and I'm at the last of the Salinas Pueblo missions. And this one's much further into central New Mexico, and there's nothing around here near the town of, get this down, Conch, New Mexico. And I can see the ruins from here. There's quite a few people here, which is surprising me, but this is still a POTA park, even though these are 3 separate geographic areas. They all share the same POTA designation, so we'll give it a shot. But first I'm going to take a little tour, see what we can see here. So join me, Greg, Tech Gear Junkie, and let's check this place out. Much like the other ruins I visited, these Salinas Pueblo ruins are probably about 400, 500 years old. And the people who lived here had all kinds of issues later on. Attacks by Apaches, drought, plague, all that fun stuff. It was a mixture of Native Americans and some Spanish missionaries set all this stuff up. It's long gone now though. Alright, well, I'm all done with my tour. Got me a nice shady spot to set up and try to operate, so let's try to get some on the air POTA going on. I got the KX2, of course, and probably the buddy stick set up on this. Turn this around slowly. Park bench here. Let's get going. Yep, I'm all set up here. I do have the KX2 ready to go, and the buddy stick set up there. I'm on 20 meters, and that counterpoise is going off to the north. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie Whiskey. CQ POTA, this is Kilo Golf 5 Oscar Charlie. There we go, got one finally. Damn flies, biting flies are eating me up. Make a few more calls and I'm getting out of here. Okay, everybody, I think I'm going to wrap it up. Been on here about an hour, and it's getting hot, and the horse flies out here are biting the heck out of me. I did manage to get 5 CW contacts, so not quite an activation, but I'm happy with it. It gives me another chance to go to one of the other missions this year and try to activate it then. So just think 60 years ago today, you could have looked up in the sky and seen a UFO crashing through the atmosphere, catching on fire and crashing about 30 miles away. So that would have been cool, huh? Maybe someday we'll go to the crash site and activate that. Anyhow, thanks for joining me. This is Greg KG5 OCW Tech Gear Junkie, and we'll see you next time.